Hey guys, welcome to Recipe Fever's another vlog. Oh wow, it looks so yummy, isn't it? So today I will show you a perfect restaurant style paneer makhani recipe. Some people say it as paneer butter masala as well. Whatever it is, do watch the video fully to know the secret tips and tricks used at the multi-cuisine restaurants. Also, I assure that you can make this recipe at home perfectly with the exact same taste and texture if you follow my tips carefully. So, let's get started. First step is to make the makhani gravy. This is the base gravy, guys, with which you can make multiple recipes. So, to make that, I have kept a non-stick pan for heating and I will now add 1 tablespoon of refined oil and 3 tablespoons of butter. Now you can see that the butter has melted completely. So to this I will add 1 bay leaf that is torn into pieces, 1 inch long cinnamon stick, 2 cardamoms, 2 cloves, 2 red chilies, half teaspoon fennel seeds, 3/4 teaspoon cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds. Let's mix everything and saute them for 3 minutes on a medium flame. This is done. So I will now add 1/4 cup of cashew nuts to it and saute everything for 2 minutes. After that, let's add in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute them until the raw smell goes from it. It may take around 2 minutes. Oh my god! Guys, my kitchen is filled with the aroma. At this stage, I will add 4 chopped onions and mix it well. Also, to cook the onions faster, I will add 1 teaspoon of salt and give it a quick mix. Let's now saute the onions for 10 minutes on a medium flame or until they become soft and transparent. It's been around 10 minutes now. Guys, you can see that the onions are cooked well. At this stage, I will add 6 chopped tomatoes and mix everything. Let's close it with a lid and cook everything for 10 minutes. Guys, please make sure that you stir it occasionally as it may burn. You can see that the tomatoes have become dry. So let's add in half cup of water and give it a mix. After that, I will close and cook it for 10 more minutes. Here is the tip number 1. That is, if you don't cook the tomatoes well, the raw taste of it will ruin the entire gravy. So guys, you can now see that the tomatoes are cooked well. At this stage, I will turn off the stove and allow it to come to a room temperature. After that, I will add it to the mixie jar with some water and grind it to a fine paste. Guys, here is my tip number 2. That is, to get a silky smooth makhani gravy, you have to strain the ground masala paste. So, I will strain it and keep it aside. Now, I have kept the same non-stick pan for heating. To this, I will add 1 tablespoon of refined oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter melts, I will reduce the flame to low and add 250 grams of paneer. Let's saute them on a low flame for 2 minutes or until the paneer cubes turn to a light yellow color. So here is the tip number 3. That is, you shouldn't fry the paneer for long as it will become rubbery. So guys, just shallow fry them for 2 minutes and take it from the butter immediately. Now to this butter, I will add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder and 2 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. The Kashmiri red chili powder gives necessary color to the gravy, so guys, please don't add any color. The natural color itself comes out very well. Let's stir it immediately and saute them in the butter for just 1 minute such that the raw smell goes from the turmeric powder and the chili powder. After that, we will add in the ground paste or the makhani gravy to it. Let's mix everything well and add half cup of water and cook them for 3 minutes on a low flame. Then I will add half teaspoon of salt and 1 1/4 teaspoon of sugar to it and mix everything well. At this stage, let's add the paneer cubes to the gravy and mix everything such that the masala coats well with the paneer. Let's cook them for 2 minutes on a low flame. Now, here comes the most important part. Let's add half teaspoon garam masala, few coriander leaves and few kasuri methi leaves. This is my tip number 4. That is, don't add these ingredients and cook for longer time because you will not get that fresh taste like the restaurants. So once you add it, mix all these well. Finally, add 3 teaspoons of fresh cream to the gravy to give it an extra creaminess and taste. This is one of the important ingredients used at the restaurants. So after adding it, I will give it a quick mix and switch off the stove. The rich and the creamy restaurant style paneer makhani or the paneer butter masala is ready to be served. I will garnish it with some fresh cream, butter and coriander leaves. Guys, this gravy is a great combination with parota, naan, chapati or any kind of rotis. Do try this recipe and enjoy it with your loved ones. So guys, please subscribe to my channel and press all to get instant notifications of my new recipes. Also, if you like my video, please hit the like button and share your suggestions, doubts, questions and feedback in the comment section with me. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.